Last session we discussed about the chapter. This time we will check it out the exercise. Exercise 16.2. First question, identify the solid shape of the following. Book, which is shape? Cuboid. Tea cartoon, that also cuboid. Glass, that is cylindrical shape. Ice cube, here cube given, cubical shape. Ice cream cone, conical shape. Dice, ice cream cone, conical shape. I already show ice cream like that only. See, cone shape. Dice, that is square type. See, die like this, something like this only. Die, that is square face. So it is a cube. Die, cube. Battery, that is a cylinder. Refrigerator, that is a cuboid. Candle, that is cylinder. And bowl, that is spherical shape. So question number 2. How many cubes are there in the following arrangement? You can count it. One array. How many block are there? 1 block, 2 block and 3 blocks. 1 block, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cubes are in 1 block. How many blocks are there? 3 blocks are there. Then 1 is 16, then 3 blocks, 16 into 3, 48 cubes are there. Here you can count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. Here 1, 2, 3 cubes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 cubes are there. Clear? Question number 4. 3 cubes of side 2 cm are placed side by side. Find the dimensions of the resulting cuboid. See, 3 cubes arranged side by side. It came, see, one cuboid shape because length, breadth and height different. So it is a cuboid. Now length how much? 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. Breadth 2 and height 2. What is the dimension? Dimension means length, breadth and height. Now length is 6, breadth is 2 and height is 2 cm. What is the answer? Dimensions are 6 cm by 2 cm by 2 cm. Now next question, question number 4. Dimensions of the cartoon are shown in below. See, cartoon dimensions given. 100 centimeter length, 50 centimeter breadth, 60 centimeter height. Another one cube also given. All sides are equal. Length, breadth, height is equal only in cube. They are asking how many cubes you can fit inside this cartoon box. How many? Number of cubes you have to find out. That is meaning what is the capacity of this cartoon box? Capacity meaning volume. What is the volume of a cuboid? What is the volume of a cube? Cuboidal volume, length into breadth into height. Cube also length into breadth into height only, but cube all dimensions are equal. So we can say edge into edge into edge. Volume of cartoon divided by volume of one cube. You will get number of cubes can fit in the cartoon. See here. Dimensions of the cartoon 100 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Cube dimensions 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Number of cubes can be fit inside the cartoon equal to volume of cartoon divided by volume of a cube. Length of the cartoon, breadth of the cartoon, height of the cartoon, length of the cube, breadth of the cube and height of the cube. Already in our hand measurement is there. Cut out. You will get answer 300 cubes. See, volume of any solid. You can derive the formula for any solid. Volume of any solid equal to base area into height. Cartoon is cuboidal shape. See, cartoon is a cuboidal shape. Base area, base is in rectangle shape. Area equal to length into breadth into height. Base area into height is volume. Length into breadth into height. Here also base is cube. That means square shape. Square length and breadth are same. 10 into 10. Height also 10. So if you are forgetting the formula, you can derive yourself. Volume of the any solid. You can get it from base area into height. Now exercise question over. Okay, now exercise question over. You go through the exercise. I hope everything clear. Now revision purpose, some questions I am giving. You have to go through these questions. Define 3D and 2D figures and 3 examples each you have to give. Volume of any solid, definition and formula. Integrated exercise question number 2, 3, 4 you have to solve. Example 4 of this chapter. 16 chapter example 4. See, 16 chapter example 4. One typical question. 2 dice are placed side by side as shown. Can you guess what would be total sum of face opposite to 5 plus 6, 4 plus 3? It is a die. 2 dice are there. Face opposite. Always if you add opposite sides of a die, you will get a 7. Particular die. We are considering this type of die only. Opposite face you add it, you will get a 7 answer. Now you check it. 5 plus 6. They are asking 5 plus 6. Question example 4. 5 plus 6. Face 5. 5 face opposite will be 2. Then only 5 plus 2, 7 will get. 6 face opposite is 1. Then you add it. What is opposite face? Answer. Sum is 2 plus 1, 3. Check it. Answer. See, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now second question is B part is 4 plus 3. Opposite of 4 is 3 and opposite 3 is 4. Add it. 7 is the answer. See, 7 is the answer. I hope everything clear in this chapter. Revise it, and it is a small chapter. I hope everybody understood. I will come with another chapter soon.